The new system for college students to sign up for financial aid was supposed to be better. Instead, it has left many applicants helpless. Thanks for joining us. I'm Maya Trabulsi. The free application for federal student aid, known as FAFSA, was streamlined and simplified this year, but technical glitches and delayed data have stalled the system. KPBS education reporter MG Perez has more on the impact to students and their families.
Okay, Claire, here. JJ, Emmanuel.
17-year-old Chloe Showerman is president of the Associated Student Body here at Kearney High School. She is a leader who is used to having things under control.
I have no control in this situation of what's going on.
Chloe and her fellow senior classmates are among millions of students across the U.S. still not sure if and when they will be approved for financial aid to attend college in the fall. She submitted her FAFSA in January.
I just want to make sure that I am able to pay for college. I come from a middle-class family, and I've been lucky enough to have a little bit of money saved, but it's not enough to pay for 4 years of college.
A major overhaul of the FAFSA culminated last year with a form that went from more than 100 questions to about 30 and was supposed to directly connect IRS tax information, allowing students and their families access to more money for college. Problems including technical glitches and an incorrect crucial income formula have delayed financial awards, leaving students stuck.
It's just really stressful for me, a lot of frustration, because I know that a lot of colleges haven't changed their deadlines yet for FAFSA, and I feel like there hasn't been enough communication between the FAFSA and colleges.
Because of the delay, the University of California and the Cal State universities have delayed until May 15th, the date accepted students have to commit to attending, in hopes they will know their financial aid status by then. The U.S. Department of Education is promoting the change in financial aid as the better FAFSA. But at the moment, it is not better for students who have families that are classified as mixed status. Here at Mesa Community College, that includes current students who are American citizens, but their parents are undocumented. Counselors and assistants at the school's Dreamers Center are working to help applicants sort through the new FAFSA, which requires parents to submit a Social Security number to begin the process of financial aid.
And again, the concern would be that maybe they don't complete the application process altogether. Maybe they don't enroll because they're uncertain if they're going to be able to finance their education.
It's the same problem at a community college or a four-year university. Everyone waiting on workarounds to get the application process completed.
Colleagues and I have been talking about this for months, and you know, our goal is to hold students harmless financially around all of this, right? This particular group of students, because there is no path forward for them right now.
Chloe Showerman holds on to hope.
I'm very hopeful about my future and what I want, and I will strive for what I want. And I know that this is just a bump in the road.
MG Perez, KPBS News.